Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Ford Explorer door code. First, you'll want to locate the factory 5-digit code, which is essential for keyless entry. This unique code is typically found on a sticker placed in specific areas within your vehicle. Knowing where to look can save you time and effort, allowing you to quickly regain access or program a new personal code for convenience. One of the first places to check is your owner's manual, as the factory code is often printed there. If it's not in the manual, look for a sticker on the driver's side B-pillar, usually near the door latch. Sometimes, the code can also be found on the trunk lid or inside the glove box. These are the most common spots where manufacturers place this important information. If you can't find a physical sticker, some newer Ford Explorer models allow you to retrieve the code through the vehicle's infotainment system. Alternatively, a professional diagnostic tool can be used to access the vehicle's computer and extract the code. If all else fails, your local Ford dealership can provide the factory code using your vehicle's identification number. Once you have the factory 5-digit code, you can easily program your own personal code for added convenience. Your owner's manual will provide specific instructions on how to do this, usually involving a simple sequence of button presses. Remember, having a personal code makes accessing your vehicle much easier. Also, check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.